welcome to this last episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Ashley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here at the Vertex Franke Showroom. So located at the other side of Ubi's Vertex is actually Franke's showroom. Now this is actually a live kitchen showroom where they actually do cooking and sharing of recipes, as well as talking about Franke's latest products with designers as well as merchants and developers. There are series of professional cooking appliances really beats the crowd because specifically speaking, they can control the temperature of the ovens as well as the steamers right down to a specific temperature that some recipes demand. Now check this out. Now when it comes to cooking, right, not only is the cooker very important, but the suction hood is also very important. Gone are the days whereby we just basically make do with the top hung to integrate it with the top hung cabinet. That kind of system is just not good enough if you're cooking things like curry, belacan, or all those very spicy stuff that has a lot of fumes. Franke has a really good solution. Check this out. You see, designers love well thought of design, and this is no doubt one of the better designed kitchen sink that I've seen. This is a Red Dot award-winning tap by Franke, and it has this really cool magnetic cradle that holds on to the hose and the nozzle. So it's really easy to lift it off the cradle and to put it back. Other than that itself, it has this water dispenser. Now this is no ordinary dispenser because it comes with their proprietary cartridge that actually filters the tap waters. So you can directly use the water here for direct consumption. Now other than that, this is actually a two-bowl sink, a large one and a small one. Now the peripherals that comes together with this actually makes this sink a whole lot more interesting. Let me share with you. So now that we have learned about Franke, its products, its features and its location, hop on down to the Vertex and check out what Franke can do to enhance your kitchen setup.